In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up Topstep with Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Topstep on your favorite browser, and then it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to click Earn Funding and then sign up to an account. Once you've done that, it should look something like this inside of the dashboard. And once you're in here, you'll need to get an account. And to do that, you'll need to go up to Start a Trading Combine. And then from here, you'll need to choose your account. From here, once you've done that, you'll need to click either standard or no activation fee. And then from here, you'll need to choose this specific account that you want to choose. From here, once you've chosen, you'll need to click select. And then from here, you'll need to add in your credit card details. You'll need to read the agreement and click I have read and acknowledge. And then from here, you'll just need to enter your billing information and then pay these $123. Once you're in here, you'll see the Topstep pledge that you'll just need to sign on and confirm. And then from here, you'll need to go up to a new page and download Quantower. You can do that by clicking here, go into Quantower right here, and click the first link right here, and then click download. You don't need to log in to any accounts. You can just directly download it. Once you've done that, it should be looking something like this, or something similar like this. From here, you'll need to go up to this up here in the menu, top-hand menu, and from here, you'll need to click on the specific one that you want to choose or change to Topstep. And from here, you'll need to go down to the search bar and click Search Connection. Here, you'll need to click Topstep Rhythmic right here. And then from here, you'll need to enter in your username that you used to create your account and the password. You also need to change the server to the specific server that you are having, or that Topstep has provided for you. For me personally, that will be Europe because I live in Europe, and then just click connect. Once you've done that, a big page in the middle of the screen will appear that it says that it has been connected successfully with Topstep. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!